The vandalization of India's national emblem, the Ashoka Chakra, at Kashmir's revered Hazratbal Dargah, has ignited a major political and religious row. The controversy began when the J&K Waqf Board, led by Dr. Daraksha Andrabi, installed a plaque with the emblem inside the shrine after renovation. Worshippers objected, citing Islamic prohibitions against symbols in mosques, and videos soon showed the plaque being vandalized amid chants of Narai Takbir. Former CM Omar Abdullah questioned why the emblem was placed at a religious site at all, stressing that government symbols are not used in mosques, temples, or gurudwaras. He also opposed cases under the Public Safety Act against protesters. Meanwhile, Kashmir's top religious body, the Mutahida Majlisi Ulema, demanded the immediate removal of the plaque, calling it against Islamic tradition, and condemned FIR against worshippers. But Waqf Board Chief Andrabi hit back, branding the act a terrorist crime against national dignity, vowing lifetime bans and police action against those involved. The clash highlights a deepening tension between religious sentiment and state symbolism at one of Kashmir's holiest shrines.